Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And if you are new to the channel, we do food and product reviews. And today, spoiler alert, I love this product. I've probably used it 5 or 6 times. Love it, love it,
You
love
did.
it.
You had them on the cruise.
Yes.
Right, so that was back on.
Packing
Oh.
cubes. I will never travel without them again. Okay?
Really?
Love, love them.
Really?
If you are unfamiliar with packing cubes, they're individual that you keep clothes in. I love them so much because it's great if you're packing more than one person in a suitcase. You can keep all your stuff together. We have 2 brands because I thought I would try 2 different brands. This is Bagail, I think, how's you pronounce it? This one is YAMUI. I don't know how to pronounce it. We're gonna put it up here. I honestly love them both equally. This one, the Bagail comes with, it's a set of 6. 2 are this size.
That's 13.7 by 17.5.
And these are 3 inches deep, and this other brand is 4 inches deep. So it all depends on what works for you. But you can see how they all fit into the suitcase. See, I can pull that out, whatever I need. So I have my shirts. I have 10 shirts actually in here. 10. And I actually have 10 pair of shorts in here. But wait.
There's more.
Let me show you something.
It's like an infomercial. If you order now, you're gonna get Kathy for free. That is the deal.
So I have my 10 shirts. So if I wanted to put them all in one.
Oh, wow.
Let me show you. They would actually all fit in just in one. So if you don't want to take a lot of suitcases, each family member is like, okay, whatever you can get in there, you can take.
Wow.
Other than that, you're done. So love, love, love these. I think the way I did it is actually, as I've used them several times, and if we go somewhere where we can take it out and actually put it in a drawer, I will.
Yes.
And then I put in the dirty clothes. The dirty clothes back in the bag. So as we use them, just put them back in the bag. The difference between the 2, like I said, this comes with the 2 larger ones.
Yeah.
This is the Bagail. There comes 2. What's this one? I used to.
Sorry.
So there's 2 medium,
Yeah,
2 large.
9.8 by 13.7.
You have the 6, 2, 2, and 2. So
Yeah.
3 inches high.
Yeah.
Perfect for the bras, swimsuits.
For all swimsuits, yeah.
This one I packed shoes in. So let me show you how many pairs of shoes I got. And of course this is different.
Flip-flop sandal.
Great for summer. So we
You
have
can't put, John size 13
right.
in there.
1, 2, 3. So I have 3 pair of shoes in here. Don't have to worry about them getting in with my clothes.
The shoes are gross.
Yes. So then you can just. I just love it. It just keeps you organized. Stuff doesn't move around.
Yeah. I like it. I'm gonna have to get some of these. Like,
Everyone.
I never really believed you, and I never came to your room on the cruise to see exactly, because she was just going on and on about like loving you. Not ranting, you were raving. You were loving them.
Okay, so I ended up buying 2 sets of the other brand.
Oh, those?
No,
Of these.
YAMUI or however you
You
pronounce
have 2 sets of these.
it. Right, so.
And why is that? Why did you choose these over those?
Because this
Is the 4-inch?
This is different sizes. These
you
are
get-
deeper.
Okay.
So you have large, 1 large.
1, 2,
Medium.
3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be a 7-piece.
Yes, there is. 1 second.
Okay.
But the shoe bag, once again, if you wear 7.5, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of shoes. Love it, love it, love it.
What about my size 9s? Oh look, they fit comfortably in there just as well.
Perfect. See, I have seen some of these at like TJ Maxx, and the quality, they seem very thin. These seem very durable. Like I said, I've used them 4 or 5 times. Never had issues with the zipper or the fabric ripping. Nothing. They've been amazing. So this is the same set as this. This is a 7-piece set.
So this is everything with nothing in it.
Right. All comes.
And it stores in this little small bag.
Has a little handle. Love it.
Yeah.
So you have a small one that you can carry on. Right. That you need to carry on for the airline. And then another that works well for all your toiletries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Love, love. Everyone should use them.
How much, Kathy?
Let me tell you, Robin. The one that was in here, the
Bagail.
Bagail. Set of 6, 3 sizes. I paid $21.99.
Okay.
I just checked yesterday. They were $24.99. You know how they fluctuate with.
That's doable.
These I paid, and this was back in October. It was $19.80, and it's the same price now.
And you can get black or this.
Yeah, they have many colors. Oh. Lots of colors in both of these. Lots of different colors to choose from. But
so everybody could have a color.
Exactly. What worked out great was when we were on the cruise, they took our luggage the night before, but I still had some stuff I couldn't take on the flight. So I kept that with me in one of these bags in my backpack. And then once we got to the airport, I was able to take something out and put this one back in to check. So that worked out great. Love that. Also worked great if you're traveling by car, several stops along the way. A lot of what you need, you don't have to unpack your whole suit. Okay, I just got back from a trip and I just wanted to add a couple things. I know some people like to roll their clothes when they pack. I have tried that. I'm not a fan. I've tried them in these. I'm not a fan. I think I can get more in one of these when I just have them flat in here, but that's just my preference. So I put shoes in both of these, and yes, shoes are gross. It says not to machine wash these, just to hand wash, and that's what I did. Very simple, and then I just laid them out here to dry, and they dried super quick. So yes, still love them after another trip. Must have. I love this product. If I didn't tell you already, love, love, love.
I think I could love this product.
Yes, you will love this product. It just makes packing
it's
a lot easier.
The concept of it just would not click in my head, and I don't know, but like seeing it in use, it's like, oh yeah, I mean, it makes.
And they all hold a lot of stuff. Like this has like 4 swims, 4 or 5 swimsuits.
I definitely thought this was going to be like one of those claims that, you know.
No, I mean, I didn't think when I first saw it, I was like, do I really need these? But no, I love them. This is probably one of, for us reviewing products, this is probably one that I love the most.
It's going to her number 1.
Yes, it really is.
Yeah.
So we thought for summertime, people are traveling more right now, so it's a good time. So down below, you can find a link in our Amazon store for both of these. Like I said, there's other brands out there. I don't know the quality of the other brands, but these seem to be very comparable. I mean, this is like a nylon, I guess.
Yeah. Yep.
And a mesh on the front. So
good zippers.
If you had any trouble with any of the zippers, and I've packed these pretty full too. So, and I love how they're easy storage. Love the handle. I guess I really can't say any more about them, how much I love them.
Yeah. And order yours today. Yeah. Look at that. Voila.
Has 2 zippers. Go either way. Wherever you like them. If you have used packing cubes, let us know what you think. Or if you think it would be something you would use. I highly recommend them. If you didn't catch on today, get on Amazon right now and order you some, because they are definitely worth it. Yeah. All right, so that brings us to.
Sorry, you scared me because you are just like, I don't know, a scary person standing there. What do you need real quick?
I have the Oreos.
Are they in the pantry, Kathy?
No, they're okay. Just don't get crumbs everywhere.
Please, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Right.
Brings us to
question of the day.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes. That was weird.
I know.
And I almost said it like
right. Yeah. Because I just read, I'm like, oh, that was my question. And there she was.
Yeah. I do. And I believe in those weird coincidence things, and yeah, I don't know. Yes.
You know, I really didn't believe in ghosts until maybe almost 3 years ago, when my mom passed away. She did not want to die. She had cancer and she didn't want to die at home. And she told my sister, because I was there. But before she passed, she told my sister, I do not want to die at home. Don't let me die at home. Put me in hospice. My sister did not listen to my mother. So when my sister and I were cleaning out her house, there was 2 very weird things that happened. And I questioned my sister, and she's like, I don't know. And so later I was like, you know, Mom's pissed. You let her die in the house. So.
And Kathy's a believer.
And this is on you. This is your fault. So.
Yeah.
Because my hands, I had no part of that. That was her doing. But yeah, after that, I was like, that's crazy. Yeah. Spirits, ghosts, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah. No, but I definitely think there is a there's paranormal activity if you are open to it.
Need a medium.
Sometimes I don't even think you have to be open. I think
right. I mean, you
just dismiss it. And
right.
That
like those couple things that happened. It's like that was just freaky. So, but anyway, do you believe in ghosts? Or spirits? Let us know in the comments below. And once again, packing cubes.
She gives them a thumbs up.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
Yes, please.
And click the red subscribe so you can see more fun videos and things you must have videos. And click the notification too. So thank you for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.